Hi friends, welcome to the Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts and interview questions. Friends, today let us gain knowledge on test case development phase in the STLC. It is the third phase in the STLC. Friends, in this phase, test teams write the test cases based upon the requirements gathered in the requirement analysis phase. And also, in the test planning phase, they will choose some requirements need to be automated, some requirements need to be tested in automation testing. For that requirements, the test team prepare test scripts. And also, based upon the requirements, to check the backend functionalities, to check the logics, test teams prepare test data. After finishing all these things, test case and test scripts and test data, these three things will get reviewed by the peers and the team lead. Especially the test cases will be reviewed by the peers so that we can judge the test cases written by the tester is understandable by the other tester or not. Is it readable format or is it easy to understand, easy to implement or not will be checked in the peer review. In the reviewed by the team leads, they will check whether the test cases are maintaining all the test conditions, all the test scenarios need to be checked. The test steps, the steps to be executed, maintained in the test cases or following the valid cases or valid structure is verified by the team leads. Then they prepare RTM, the requirement traceability matrix, to check whether for every requirement test case was assigned or not. To get more information about the RTM and test cases and the test data, please subscribe to this channel to get the next video which provide detailed information about each of these points. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.